Hello everyone, I am Jonabel Rito Malta Santos from BSHM1 Block 26. Today, I will be sharing my reaction and thoughts on an IoT-related video I recently watched on YouTube. This video I choose is entitled, What is the Internet of Things or IoT and Why Should I Care? By Benson Hoagland from TEDxTalk. This video provides clear and engaging explanation of IoT and why it is important for all of us. Now, let's dive into my reaction. Benson Hoagland begins by defining the Internet of Things as the concept of connecting any devices to the Internet and to the other connected devices. He explains that IoT allows devices to communicate with each other, collecting data, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. He emphasized that the Internet has traditionally been a product of human activity, filled with data, image, and content created by the people, for people, and about people. However, the IoT represents a shift where objects, themselves contribute data and interact with their environment. This new internet enables devices to send, communicate, and act intelligently. One of the examples from the video is the smartphone. Benson explained how smartphones have multiple sensors that detect movement, light, even user proximity. The advantage of IoT is reduce the needs of human intervention by enabling smart decision making based on real-time data. From smartphone to wearable fitness tracker, IoT simplify daily tasks and improve lifestyle. Businesses can reduce waste and optimize operation by using IoT, real-time monitoring and automation. IoT can monitor vital signs, detect health emergency, and send alert for quick medical intervention. Smart irrigation and energy-saving devices contribute to sustainability effort. And the disadvantage of IoT is security and privacy risk. With more devices connected to the internet, the risk of cyber attack increased, leading to potential data breaches. Relying too much on IoT can create vulnerabilities, especially when the system is failed or hacked. As more tasks became automated, some jobs can be replaced by smart system or robotics. Many devices can require technical expertise to set up and maintain, which can be barrier for widespread adoption. After watching the video, I gained a deeper appreciation for how IoT is transforming our world. The way devices can communicate and automate everyday tasks is a bit overwhelming. The example of a smart home particularly stood out to me, as it showed how technology can enhance comfort while saving energy. However, I also recognize the risk associated with the IoT. The video is highlight the importance of security and privacy, which a significant concern when it comes to our personal data being shared across multiple devices. As Benson pointed out, we wouldn't want our smart home system or medical devices to be vulnerable to hacker. Personally, I think IoT is a powerful intervention that I would love to interrogate into my daily life. But with caution, it's crucial that we implement strong security and ethical guidelines to ensure that the IoT benefits society in a safe and a responsible way. To summarize, Benson Hoagland's TEDx talk provide a thought-provoking decision on the Internet of Things, highlighting its ability to enhance convenience, efficiency, and automation in our daily lives. He demonstrates how IoT can improve various aspects of life, from a smart thermostat to medical devices that can potentially save life. However, he also emphasized the potential risk, particularly regarding security, privacy, and over-reliance on technology. As we continue to embrace IoT, it is essential to balance its benefits with responsible implementation and security measures. So, is IoT good or bad for society? In my opinion, IoT is a revolutionary tool that, when managed properly, can bring great improvement to our daily lives. The key is use it responsibly while addressing its challenge. Thank you for watching my reaction video.